Hello and good morning to everyone. So today's lead code question is 2144, which is minimum cost of buying candies with discount, right? So a shop is selling candies at a discount. So it is given that for every candies sold, the shopkeeper will give a third candy for free. So when we buy two candies, we get one as one free, right? And the condition is the customer can choose a third free candy such that its cost should be less than or equal to the minimum of these two candies. So suppose we have bought two candies for rupees 2 and 3. Then we can choose a free candy whose cost is minimum of 2 and 3, like less than or equal to minimum of this. So minimum of 2 and 3 is 2. So we can choose a candy whose cost is less than or equal to 2, right? And it is given, we are given a uh, zero indexed integer array cost, where cost of I represents the cost of the ith candy. And what we need to do is we need to return the minimum cost that we need to spend to buy all the candies in the shop, right? So this is the question. So let's see the examples to get the question more clearly. So in the first example, we in the shop we have candies of cost 1, 2 and 3. So suppose if we buy these two candies cost of 2 and cost of 3, then we can get this is free. So we can buy all the total candies in just 5 rupees, right? So this is the first example. Let's see the second example. In the second example, the cost of the candies in the shop are this. So suppose if we buy two candies of rupees 7 and 9, then we can get one candy which is free whose cost is less than or equal to 7. So which one we should buy? So we should buy 6, because that will be beneficial for us to minimize the overall cost. So we have bought these two candies and then we get 6 for free. Then the candies left are 5, 2 and 2. Then we get 5 and 2. Then we bought 5 and 2 and then get this as free. This is free. So our total money spent is 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 2, right? So that is 23, right? So this is the second example. In third example, we have only two candies. So we bought these two candies and there is no third candy, so we can't get anything free. So the total cost is 10, right? So these are the example. So let's see the constraints. So the total length is up to 100, and the maximum cost of a candy can also be up to 100. So let's see the approach. So what is our offer? Our offer is buy two candies and get one free, right? And the cost of free candy should be less than or equal to minimum of cost of first candy comma cost of second candy, right? So this is the cost of the free candy, that is the minimum of the two candies that we have purchased, right? So this is the important condition. And now we need to minimize the total amount that we will pay. And for that, what we want that we get the free candy, that we get the expensive candies, as free. Then our cost will be minimized, right? So if you see the example, here, so which are the expensive candies? So see, if we sort the array 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. So these are the expensive candies, 9, 7, 6, 5. So but we can't get 9 and 7 as free. We can't get 9 and 7 as free because there are no candies. There are no candies with more price than those. But if we see, we have suppose 6, 7 and 9. We have 6, 7 and 9. And if we bought 7 and 9, then we can get 6 for free, right? We can get 6 for free. Then we take the second this pair, this triplet, and then buy 2 and 5, and then we can get this for free. So basically what we do is we we sort the array, we sort the array, and then then from the end we'll take triplets, means 3 candies, then we buy the 2 candies and get the third one free, right? So we divide the whole array, we divide the whole array into triplets, right? And from each triplet we buy these 2 candies and get the third one free. So buy these 2 candies and get the third one free. So in this way we get the expensive candies for free, right? We get the expensive candies for free, and we can minimize the overall money that we have spent, right? So this is the whole approach, this is the whole approach, right? So I have written, we sorted the whole array and divided the array into groups of 3 from last, and then every group has 3 candies with the largest amount, second largest amount, and the third largest amount, and then we buy these 2 candies with the amount largest and second largest and get the third largest with free amount, right? So let's see the code part. So in the code part we basically sort the array, and then see, we have started from the last, we have bought the largest candy, and if there is a second largest candy then we bought that also, and then we are doing I minus equal to 3. That means we have bought largest, we have bought second largest, and if there is a third candy also, then we are taking that for free, right? So this way we will get the total cost, and at the end we are returning the total cost. So I hope I'm able to explain you the solution properly. So if you like the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.